What's up, painting friends? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Stoof, and today we're going to do a review and unboxing of these Upgrey dual tip art markers. Upgrey reached out to me and asked if I would try out their product and leave a review of this product. I like to do coloring pages for fun, but I don't do it professionally, obviously, but I do enjoy doing this for fun. So you guys can watch me test out these art markers today, and I put together some of my own coloring pages. I'm going to be creating a coloring book at some point, but for now we just have a few coloring pages to try out based on my own paintings. So we're gonna be testing out these Upgrey art markers. This is a 60 count set and they are dual tip. Never used them before, so I'm looking forward to reviewing these. All right, so this is the box by Upgrey. The art markers look like they have a wide tip and a fine tip and two covers on each color marker. There are 60 colors in this box. Right now, this box is about $18 on Amazon. I will leave a link for this product in the description under the video if you'd like to purchase these for yourself. Opening the box. Ooh, it's in another box. All right, we've got a little Upgrey customer service card, just giving you their information. And look at this. It comes in a nice little canvas bag to hold all of your markers together and keep them organized. That's awesome. Has a little zipper. Ooh, I'm excited. There are a lot of nice colors here. Cool, all right, so this is what our colors look like up close. Let's take a look at the one marker. So this is pale pink is the color. It says art marker on it. And then one of these tips has a gray rim around it. I'm assuming that's for all of them. Yes. The one that doesn't have a gray rim is the wider tip. So it's even easy for you to know which side, if you want the fine tip or the wide tip for your marker work. So very nice. I'm liking how they look so far. They've got a little grippy on the caps and the caps close nicely. So looking great so far. And the color is on both sides. So you know what color you have, whether it's upside down or right side up. All right, let's test these out on paper now with our coloring pages. All right, so here is one of our coloring pages for today. This is one of my paintings of Yosemite Falls with Half Dome in the background. This is one of my older paintings. I created this one in 2012 when I was a student at the University of Pittsburgh in the art program. So Lauren is going to be creating this coloring page. This is inspired by my painting called Smoky Mountain Sunset. So we're gonna get our markers out and we're gonna start working, and we'll give you some commentary on our thoughts as we are using these markers and let you know how they work for us. Cool, okay, so I'm gonna start with this sky blue color. Nicely named, and we're gonna use, okay, they have broad and fine is how they label these. So let's start with broad. How do they smell? You giving them a little whiff there?
They're not that strong.
They don't really have an odor. Yeah, no odor. That's good. Oh, this is good.
No
okay, so they don't bleed. And I'm noticing that, like, even if you're like overlapping, it's not giving you like that overlappy weird.
It's not like oversaturated.
Yeah. So these images are just on cardstock paper. You can see that the marker, I'm pressing pretty hard and it is starting to kind of get through there, but that just means they're nice and strong. You're not going to have
Yeah, you don't have to press very
issues.
hard.
Yeah, you don't. Yeah, yeah, yours are kind of coming through too. Yeah. All right, looking good. And I'm just like overlapping here with the marker just to see how that works, if it can start to kind of create a more opaque, saturated look if I go over a couple times. Yeah, that looks pretty nice. Look at that nice transition there. Very good. All right, let's test out pastel blue. Start with the broad. pastel I'm gonna put a little closer down. Ooh, it's a little darker. Again, I'm gonna go over with the second layer, just to darken things up here. And let's go for this one.
I like that it doesn't get on your hand.
Peacock green. Oh, it doesn't? Does it?
No.
Oh, look at that. Yeah, it dries.
Safe for left-handed users.
Very good. Okay. Yeah, you do get a nice amount of control at the fine tip. So I'm pressing pretty lightly, and this is a stronger saturated pigment here. And what you can do to build up that color even more is just go over it with another layer, it looks like. And that works pretty nicely. You can press gently and let it kind of transition and press with a little more force to build that color up a little more. Alright, now I want to try, what's this color? Blue-gray. Ooh. This is the wide one. Yours is coming along nicely. I like the different colors of purple. They have cool purples and warm purples and light and darks. I'm gonna see what happens if I layer up some colors here. So I'm gonna put my green gray down here. Just gonna fill this all in, and I'm gonna start to add. Oh, let's add another color that's gonna be light. How about green bice? Green bice. That's an interesting name. Ooh. Yeah, that works pretty nicely too.
What does bice mean?
I don't know. Never heard of that before. Nothing bled through,
Yeah.
so that's good.
It
Yeah.
kind of looks pretty cool.
Yeah. It's looking good. It's gonna look sweet. There it is, done.
How did you do that so fast?
Yours had way more stuff going on. Maybe I'll put a little bit of color in my waterfall. Okay, not done. Clouds are hard to do with markers. Where did olive color go?
I love that color. It's
Yeah,
my favorite.
it is nice. It is a really good tree color.
Yeah, I like this.
Yeah. You know what you can do is you can probably like layer if you take the broad side of it. I mean, you can't really lighten up now, but try. Do you want to try it? Just go like try to get this transition between the warm and the cool. No, you're like, it's fine. You're like, I'm fine. I'm happy with it. Oh,
That better.
yeah, that good. There's transition. Very nice.
Oh no, that was a mistake.
You can transition that too. Just layer over.
I thought it was
this.
lighter than it was.
Oh yeah.
And then I was like,
right.
I just commit to it at this point.
Yeah, you're like, well, we're already here, so. So here we are.
That's helping a little.
Yeah.
You don't color in your lines.
No, I don't color in the lines. This one's actually kind of more fun than the last one I did.
It is. It's like red.
Oh yeah, give me that. Give me that.
It's like red, brown,
Yeah.
like ooh.
This is the exact color I was thinking in my brain that I needed. Yeah, the one thing that's tough with like all markers is getting light enough variations for things in like backgrounds
Yeah,
and
like-
for sky.
Especially skies.
They rarely have really light markers. Alright guys, so we finished these 2 coloring pages. I'm gonna play with this one some more later sometime, but we overall really enjoyed these marker sets. They're pretty awesome. We like that it's easy to put on and remove the tips. We like that you can put the tip on the back right there. We like that these markers don't bleed through your paper, even though they are pretty well pigmented and will get into the paper. They also don't bleed out of the section where you're coloring. No matter how hard you press, they stay within the section that you're working on. What else did we like about them?
They don't smell.
Yeah, they don't have any type of an odor, so that's great as well. Lots of color variations. The one thing that we would say that we would like to see is that there were more variations of the yellows and like light pastel-y colors. But with a 60 color set, they did a pretty good job of getting the color spectrum down with their colors that they have. So overall, great marker set. We would recommend these. And I now got some feedback on my coloring pages, so I'm going to use this feedback, make some revisions to my coloring pages, and I will have a coloring book of my national park art coming out sometime as well. And if you are looking to purchase this marker set, I will have a link for that in the description under this video. Again, the brand is called Upgrey, and you can find these products on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and happy coloring.